So viruses, although absolutely fascinating, are considered non-living entities because they lack many essential characteristics of life, such as independent metabolisms and cellular structure. Viruses come in various shapes, including spherical, helical, polyhedral, and complex structures. These shapes play a crucial role in their interaction with their host cells. Let's look a bit closer at the basic structure of viruses. A virus typically consists of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, not both. It also has a protein coat, so it doesn't have a cell wall, only this protein coat or layer that protects the DNA or RNA. And sometimes it'll have additional structures. Unlike cells, viruses lack cellular organelles and a cell wall. Therefore, it is classified as acellular. Viruses do not perform metabolic activities like nutrition or movement on their own. Instead, they rely on the host cells to replicate and reproduce, blurring the line between living and non-living entities. Our first example of a virus we will look at is the coronavirus. It's enveloped, spherical or pleomorphic shape with spiked proteins on the outside. Now, COVID-19, caused by the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, has led to a global pandemic affecting millions of people and highlighting the capacity of viruses to cause severe respiratory illness. Tobacco mosaic virus, abbreviated as TMV, is helical in shape and composed of proteins and RNA. It affects plants, particularly tobacco and other solanaceous plants, causing characteristic mosaic patterns on the leaves. It's a significant concern for agriculture. The human poliovirus is a non-enveloped icosahedral shape with single-stranded RNA. The poliovirus is responsible for poliomyelitis, a paralytic disease that primarily affects children. But thanks to vaccination efforts, polio is nearly eradicated globally. I will share a link below on our video on vaccinations and how they are used. The last example we have here is bacteriophage T4. It's a complex structure with a head, a tail, and some tail fibers, and it specifically affects bacteria. Bacteriophages, like T4, are viruses that infect bacteria, playing a crucial role in controlling bacterial populations in natural ecosystems. They are also used in biotechnology and research, and I'll provide a link below if you want to watch the video on biotechnology and the use of bacteria and viruses. So these examples showcase the diversity of viruses in terms of their structure, their host, and their impact on living organisms. Studying viruses is essential for understanding infectious diseases, biotechnology, and the fundamental principles of biology. So this is part of a series in which we are looking at the biodiversity and classification of life on Earth. In the broader context of classification, organisms are categorized into 5 kingdoms. We have the kingdom listing the animals, a kingdom for the plants, a kingdom for the fungi, a kingdom for Protista, which is single-celled eukaryotes, and Monera, which is the bacterial kingdom for prokaryotic organisms. This classification system helps us to understand the diversity of life on Earth, with each kingdom representing a unique group of organisms. Do you want to dive deeper into life sciences? Check out more of our videos. Don't stop learning now. Explore more videos and download our worksheets for a complete learning experience. Links in the section below.